When you fall asleep, do you know how desperate our hearts are? The day has just dawned. The red blood cell said the master hadn't had a bowel movement for 10 days. The heart listened and was puzzled. So it took the red blood cells to the lungs. But they just walked in. The smoke was so thick that it choked the heart. The lung fluid was running slowly. There is no way to get the smoke out of the body. The heart found the administrator, only to find out that the culprit was the cigarette. The heart went back to the main control room and found that the whole body was sending out alarms. So he calls the brain to ask what's going on. But the brain was busy playing games. He didn't even hear the phone ring. Just then the alarm indicates that the kidneys are overloaded. There's no time to react. The heart carries the red blood cells to the kidney quickly. To our surprise, the administrators of the kidney were all falling over. And they kept drinking an orange liquid. The heart also took a glass to taste with suspicion. It turned out that the owner was drinking beer every night before going to bed. The heart returned to the control room. He called the brain again for help. Although the brain was not happy. But he answered the call lazily. The heart ordered him to use his eyes to see what was going on outside. After receiving the command, the brain forced to peel open the master's eyes. Unexpectedly, the table was covered with cigarette butts and beer bottles. Look more closely. The reason why the owner did not poop was a burger. The heart rushed to call the colon. But there was no answer from the colon. The heart had no choice but to take the train to the bottom. But this place stinks to high heaven. In the vicinity of the hole, Hamburger had turned into a monster. The cells were chasing him away with toilet paper. The heart saw this and leapt to the hole. Then he took advantage of it. He grabbed the pass and forced the door open. Then he called the brain control master to go to the bathroom. After the explanation, the heart quickly returned to his post. He ran frantically to get the blood flowing in his body. With the efforts of all organs, the master finally came to his senses. When he rushed into the toilet, the whole world finally regained its peace.